In your light I live, and I have your eyes. How marvelous to see through your perfection. You enter me through my pupils and cleanse my life. You are all I have. All my time and all my spaces, you grant me the miracle of seeing with your love. I bathe in your water of purest, highest sky. With your love, all is possible. With your light, only good is seen. We will do what belongs to us. We will walk together. My eyes renewed see with infinite clarity. My lips kissed will speak living words. My whole being in your abiding each day. All my moments offered, my dreams entwined with yours. I will be drizzle in your sea of colors. I will be the faithful painter of your love. To see with your eyes is the greatest art of life.